All right, what's up guys? It's me, Packy with the house, and today I'm bowling one-handed. Goal score here is 220, and I'm not stopping bowling one-handed until I reach it. If we reach 1,500 likes in this video, we will be coming back next week with my own ball drilled, because right now, we just got this 10-pounder. But anyways, let's get to shooting 220. Okay, I was gonna throw one warm-up straight, and the next one I was gonna try and slam on it. I apologize to all of my fans about the loud whining noise in the background sometimes, but you know what they say, it is what it is. It ain't me, it's the lanes. It's never your fault, always the lane's fault. Remember that. Can we count that frame? That felt like a good frame. Absolutely not? Okay. Great. This is what we call a professional bowler move right here. Take a piece of tape off the ring finger and put it straight on the thumb, because the thumb's getting a little bit, maybe a little bit of a blister. I've never even put tape on my thumb. This just doesn't feel right, to be honest. Can I be in the Vice poster now? Here we go. This one counts. 35-foot pattern, so for those of you thinking that I'm not able to hook it, it's even worse than it seems. Ooh, tough break there, frame one. My spare shots are gonna be good, I'll tell you that. I used to throw spares one-handed. It's gonna be a clean game.
At least it was close.
I'm gonna need you to do a really good job editing.
My spare shots are gonna be good, I'll tell you that.
Felt like it went high flush, so I shot the 6-pin instead of the 4-pin. It is what it is. So now to get to 200, I need a double. To get to 220, I need a 4-bagger.
Yeah, that was terrible camera work by me.
Terrible camera work, but a phenomenal shot. You can see it on the down lane camera instead.
Alright, open two.
I talked about my spare game being phenomenal.
I used to throw spares one-handed.
I don't think this is a correct representation. Is this how you do it? Can I double tape at the thumb? More tape, more strikes, baby. Just feels like strikes. Because I know it don't feel like spares. Oh, that's Brooklyn again.
We have a massive 100,000 subscriber giveaway going on where we are giving away a bowling ball for every single day the rest of the year once we hit 100,000 subscribers. So click that subscribe button down below and we can give away more and more bowling balls the quicker we get there. Back to the video.
What's up with the ball in front of the 10-pin? Question for the fans out there. 10-pin, should I hook at it? Yeah? Okay. What would butter do? I'm not gonna lie, I thought I missed that by about 3 feet to the left. We're in good position. We're in good position to shoot 200. The only thing good about that is the count. This is a spare though, all day. Why can't I do that on my other spares? That was the first time I was close. 44 in the fourth, what can I say? Not bad. I just practiced a spare though. I should be able to make this. This should be an easy one.
This should be an easy one.
I don't know if drilling my own ball would fix my spare game. Two-handed is even worse. Just kidding, it's not worse. I don't miss single pins. All the time. I don't miss single pins all the time. Every once in a while I'll flag one. I was told that shooting spares at a certain level is due to a lack of focus when you miss one. I'll put it on that. I'll put it on that. Oh my God, Brooklyn. I can't even get a break.
You can get both these with the ball.
I could get both of these with the ball. Am I gonna try and go for it with the ball? Yeah. Yeah, I am. Which pin am I gonna hit? I don't know. 62 in the sixth. I've never been proven more unathletic than right now. Maybe I gotta switch it up to the straight ball.
You're hitting the pocket.
The spare has been the downfall. I should have 2 opens, and I currently have 1 closed frame. So you don't think strategy is it? You think it's lack of spare shots. I'm gonna practice hooking it at this spare.
It's gonna be a clean game.
This is where I'm gonna need my fans to comment down below which Brunswick ball I should drill next week, because I can't shoot 200 anymore. Currently, I'm trying to shoot 100. This is worse than the blindfold video. My eyes were closed. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so just like the 5-pin, there's absolutely no excuse for missing this one. I don't even want to hear the fact that I need to make a spare. If I don't make a spare in the next 2 frames, 3 frames, I'm shooting 90s. That was closer though. Can we give me some credit?
My spare shots are gonna be good. I used to throw spares one-handed. It's gonna be a clean game.
You haven't missed the head.
Oh, I just missed the head pin on. That was the first one. Had I really hit it every shot?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like, why are the 5-pin and head pin hard spares?
The 5-pin and the I don't know. I'm not gonna say that was clutch, but that was pretty clutch because we know I'm not making a spare. I spared, I struck, I don't know what else you want from me. So this week I'll be getting lessons from USBC silver level coach Mark Lewis in the back office. How to achieve a 200 by bowling one-handed. I'm lights out now. Can we restart this? Yeah? No? Okay. We'll restart it next week. On this edition of The House Goes One-Handed, what ball do you guys want to see me drill? I'm thinking like a melee jab, a blue melee jab. You guys let me know. Alrighty, we already have a double. Oh, oh, wow. Sometimes off your hand, it just feels like you rotated the ball back at yourself because you just lost it. That's how that one felt. That's how I should have been throwing it the whole time. Ground and pound. Once again, if this video gets 1,500 likes, we will come back next week with a ball that I'm gonna drill, and you guys can pick it down below in the comments. You let me know what ball you wanna see me drill, and I'll come back next week one-handed with my own ball instead of this 10-pounder, and hopefully that can help me shoot 200. Subscribe down below. Comment, like, subscribe. Do all the things. Is it recording?